Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about PNC Bank's monthly maintenance fees. The short answer is yes. Many of PNC Bank's accounts have a monthly service or maintenance charge, but these fees can often be avoided. The exact fee and the ways to waive it depend on the specific account you have. For example, looking at PNC's personal checking accounts, which are generally offered as part of the Virtual Wallet suite. The Virtual Wallet Spend account has a monthly service charge of $7. You can typically avoid this fee by meeting one of the following requirements each statement period. Maintaining a certain minimum average monthly balance in your linked accounts. Having a minimum amount of qualifying monthly direct deposits into the account. Being 62 or older. The Virtual Wallet with Performance Spend has a higher monthly fee, typically around $15. To waive this fee, you generally need to meet a higher minimum direct deposit requirement or a higher average monthly balance than the standard Virtual Wallet. The most premium tier, Virtual Wallet with Performance Select, has the highest monthly fee, around $25, but offers more benefits and has the highest requirements to waive the fee, such as a large combined balance or a significant amount in qualifying direct deposits. There are also certain accounts designed for specific demographics that may have no monthly service charge, such as the Virtual Wallet Student account, which is typically free for up to 6 years. Another option is the Foundation Checking account, which has a very low monthly fee, often around $5, and is waived for customers aged 62 or over. For PNC's Standard Savings account, the monthly fee is generally around $5, but it can be avoided by maintaining a small minimum average monthly balance, setting up an automatic monthly transfer from a PNC checking account, or being under age 18. In summary, many PNC accounts do charge a monthly maintenance fee, but in most cases, you have clear ways to get that fee waived by managing your balances, setting up direct deposits, or taking advantage of student or senior waivers. Always check the current schedule of service charges and fees for your specific account to understand all the conditions. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.